Welcome back to Michael Wickerson at Wickerson Studios, and I am going to be running another tier on Patreon that is going to focus on the plugins for Grasshopper. And here are a couple of examples of using Mesh Edit and multiple values in Weaverbird. So it should be fairly interesting to think about what you can actually make here as geometries. This one will be one that people are most accustomed to. Nice little bake here on this form. We'll take that and slide that aside, and we'll go in and we'll cook up a couple of these multiple sliders to actually make this a little different in its form. So I'm just going to have it generated a little differently. Something fun to play with, but this will be for people that really want to dig into Grasshopper and dig into the plugins that are already scripted for you. I may jump in and do a little bit of work in hops as I go and build more complex geometries, but for now, this is probably the one tier that people will most find the most exciting. So that's it. Hopefully you'll take an interest in this one, and I'll just put out this little video, and then I'll run tutorials every week and add them to this tier as well. The first tier is basically, if I take a look, learning Rhino with Grasshopper. This tier will be the learning Grasshopper with plugins, and then I will get on and show my tutorial and break down the learning Python with Grasshopper hops. Thanks very much for watching.